Hi, my name is Cubastic and welcome to my channel. Subscribe now to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube in less than 1 second. See how many cubes I can solve underwater and watch the solvings of impossible and the most amazing puzzles in the world. In addition, a lot of reviews, unboxings, vlogs, pranks and a lot more. I also recently fulfilled my dream and solved a Rubik's Cube in free fall while parachute jumping from more than 13,000 feet. As you may notice, I'm pretty crazy, and I'm gonna amaze you with crazy stuff, although it would seem like I have a pretty common hobby. But I always said that in any activity, even the most usual one, you can always find a path to achieving any goals. And I really hope that you're gonna help me in fulfilling my second dream, achieving 1 million subscribers on this channel. Just subscribe and I promise you, I will not let you down. Have fun watching, and thank you for subscribing to my channel.
Are you ready to see it?